welcome to another video. We are going out rifle hunting. We got 2 deer tags, 2 elk tags, so if we see either of the kind, we can get them, so that's cool. I got Whitney and Huber and Kylie. We're going out backcountry hiking. We'll go see if we can't find something. But sorry I haven't kept you guys in touch all hunt. Did some archery hunting, never could make it happen. And now it's rifle season, so we're gonna go see if we can make it happen. Stay tuned. Hopefully I can get a good film, good video for you guys. Thanks for watching. That one looked kind to the left. It's okay. It's okay. Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Taking the horses out, got them all tuned in. Got Kylie up there in the red truck. We got deer tags and elk tags. We're gonna try to tag out on something. Hopefully we get her done. We're gonna go set camp at a trailhead, and then we're gonna ride the horses in, go back country, just day rides in and out, and hopefully we can get her done. Stay tuned. It's probably going to be a pretty good video, which I'm hoping for you guys. Thanks for joining our adventure. Well, we made it to where we're going to camp. Just getting the tent rolled out. Can set it up. The horses and the horse trailers and the popers. Got our axe to get some wood. Got our little fire stove. We're set up inside. It's gonna be a good time. Well, we got the teepee tent all set up. Got our little fire stove inside, just in case it gets cold. Goes right out the top here. Pretty fancy. Got our big old double sleeping bag. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Got the horses all packed up. We're gonna head out here shortly. Gotta throw some camo and some orange on. Throw the dogs in their crate. Lord, I love it. And we got takeoff. This stuff is thick. Thicker than a Snicker. Than a Snicker. Well, we got to where we're gonna drop the horses off, take the shallows off, give them a break. And we're gonna hike in from here. See if we can get something up here in this country. Oh, it's a moose right there. That's a moose. Told you. That's cool. Good to see a moose. I don't know if you guys can see him very well, but right there, it's a moose. Well, sadly we didn't happen to see anything tonight on the night hunt, but we got camp all set up and got our little fire going. Oh, that's a little bit toasty right now. But got our little fire going. So we're gonna stay nice and cozy in this teepee tent. So, see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. We missed the morning hunt, but we're gonna go out here in a second and see what we can get. See if there's anything still roaming around. It's cold enough, they definitely could be, so hopefully we can see something. Just in case I gotta shoot him again. Yes. Yes. Woo. Yeah, that's it. We got him back to the truck, back to the camp. There he is. There he lies. It was a good time. Well, good morning, everybody. It's another day. Gonna go out again, see if we can't get Kylie on a bull. or even some bucks for both of us. 1 tag's filled, we got 3 left, so there's still gonna be some more hunting done. Stay tuned, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. We still got some adventure in front of us, so. Don't get no better than this. Well, we're back at camp, got the horses fed. We're starting to clean up some stuff. We're gonna tear down camp and head out. Tomorrow we might go for a minute up in a different spot real quick, but gotta get packed up and ready to go. Kylie's got work Saturday, so it was fun. We're gonna go home and whatnot, but thank you guys for joining and following along on the adventure. Hopefully I can do more for you guys, and it was a good trip. At least we're not coming home empty-handed. Got him. Go grab.